What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. And if you've seen this this pretty face right here with all these vibrant colors, you're probably familiar with Artspace.ai or have seen it on Facebook or Instagram or YouTube. Artspace AI is an image generating program that I am now gravitating towards just because of the image quality. But today, I want to show you how you can use ChatGPT to help generate a description of a photo or an image that you found online that you will plug into Artspace.ai to help you create that image. All right, the whole purpose of this is to avoid taking someone else's image and using it as your own. All right, you do not want to infringe on any copyrights. So this is going to help you do that. This is going to help you get that exact description and plug it into Artspace.ai. So stay with me. All right, so we're here. This is the main dashboard, and I'm gonna just hop in here right now. Continue drawing. All right, so I have something in here. Let me delete this. All right, so here we are. There are two different dashboards to Artspace.ai. You have your simple interface where you just plug in whatever you want and it'll generate an image for you. You can't really manipulate the sizes here or anything. So I like to click on Expert. It just gives you more functions and more features. Keep it on Boost Visual Vibrance. I like that. For landscapes, things like that are okay. With people, people look a little orange. We don't want that. All right, so Smart Content Filter, just keep it on, that's fine. Negative prompt, I'm gonna get rid of this. That was from a previous prompt. All right, so let's say you find an image online that you love, and obviously we don't want to copy and paste it into our content. We want to be inspired by these, right? So let's just take something. Let's take this apartment. All right, let's click on this apartment. Let's see if I can grab this image. All right, I'm gonna copy and paste this image right here, right? I'm copying it and it's saving it to my dashboard. Now, remember, I'm not using this in my content. I'm using this for inspiration. I'm gonna go back to ChatGPT and I'm going to attach that file. I'm gonna upload it from my computer. All right, so let's go to desktop. Here it is, it's a screenshot. And I'm just gonna simply ask ChatGPT to provide the description for this image to be used in an AI image generator. Okay, so let's let ChatGPT do its magic. Give it a couple seconds. And voila, there we go. Look at this. So I'm going to grab this description from ChatGPT and I'm going to plug it into Artspace.ai on the bottom. Okay, but I do want to add some negative prompts, and I'm going to let ChatGPT do this for me. Please create negative prompts. For those who don't know what a negative prompt is, these are things that you do not want in your image. Okay, perfect. It's generating my negative prompts. And I'm gonna just copy and paste these. I'm gonna copy and paste them right into Artspace, negative prompts on the right side. Perfect, and then we're gonna go ahead and generate the image. All right, so here we are, and I think it did a pretty outstanding job. I mean, look at the details on this portrait on the wall, these two portraits here. So I thought it did a fantastic job. See the Empire State Building? And you can make modifications to this image just by altering the prompt a little bit. So you can do that. But I also wanted to share with you, if you want your image to move, let's say you're doing a tropical scene or beach scene or whatever, Artspace.ai does not have that function or feature where you can have the images move, right? Moving images or turn your images to videos. I do recommend a software called VideoExpress.ai, and I'll have the link down in the description, that if you want to make your images move, then I would check out VideoExpress AI. So this software is really good if you want like moving clouds or water, or if you have people. or cartoons or animations, whatever, it can make your images move if you need moving images for either faceless YouTube channels or for illustrations for stories that you're going to be creating and videos that you're going to be posting on your channels. So again, that is my recommendation for that. But in terms of images, again, if you're inspired by an image, do not copy and paste it. Do not infringe on any copyrights. You want to be inspired by that and grab the description, plug it into ChatGPT, grab that description, and then plug that into artspace.ai, and voila, there's your image. And again, you can modify it to your liking. So guys, I hope you liked this video. I have some other great tutorials coming up very shortly. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you all on the next video.